Okay, chapter 10, section 2 is about Newton's second law of motion, which is looking at the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. Okay, Newton's second law of motion explains how force, mass, and acceleration are related. The net force on an object is equal to the product of its acceleration and its mass, which means force is equal to mass times acceleration. This is known as a Newton. 1 Newton is equal to the force required to accelerate 1 kilogram of mass at 1 meter. One way to increase acceleration is to increase force or decrease in mass. So that tells me acceleration and mass are in an indirect relationship between each other. If mass goes up, acceleration goes down. So acceleration and mass are in opposite directions. You want to decrease the mass to increase the acceleration. Increase the mass if you want to decrease the acceleration. This is true when you keep the force the same. If you change the force, then because of the greater mass, the acceleration will change. All right, section 2, review question 1, wanted to know the 3 quantities related in Newton's second law, and they are force, mass, and acceleration. Question 2, if force increases, the object's acceleration has to increase because you've kept the mass the same. In order to find the net force of the shopping cart in this story problem, you need to know the acceleration and the mass. Otherwise, you're taking a shot in the dark. And then the last question, if I double the force, I have to double the mass if I keep the acceleration the same.